The 2025 BYD DENZA N9 is a large luxury SUV designed to compete with models like Li Auto's L9 and Aito's M9. Variants and pricing. The N9 is available in two variants, with starting prices of approximately $53,770. Performance. It features BYD's E3 technology, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.9 seconds. The SUV is powered by a 2.0 T engine with a maximum output of 152 kilowatts, complemented by 3 independent electric motors with a combined power of 680 kilowatts. Battery and range. It includes a 47 kilowatt-hour battery pack, offering a CLTC range of 200 kilometers and a combined range exceeding 1,300 kilometers when fully charged and fueled. Advanced features. The DENZA N9 is equipped with advanced systems, such as the d'Souza body control system with air suspension, BYD's God's Eye B smart driving system, and the DiPilot 300 smart driving solution. These support NOA in cities and on highways, valet parking, and automatic parking. Dimensions. The SUV measures 5,258 millimeters in length, 2,030 millimeters in width, 1,830 millimeters in height, and has a wheelbase of 3,125 millimeters. This vehicle is positioned as a high-end option within the luxury SUV segment, boasting a blend of performance, range, and cutting-edge technology.